Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of disabling animated emoji suggestions in Telegram. If you find the animated emojis distracting, or simply prefer a more static experience, this full guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. Tap on a chat to enter the conversation. Step 3. Look for the smiley face icon located in the input bar and give it a tap. This will open the emoji picker. Step 4. At the bottom of the drawer, you will find the stickers option. Tap on it to access the sticker settings. Step 5. Once you're in the sticker settings, you'll notice a gear icon that just appeared. Give it a tap to continue. Step 6. Look for the emoji option and tap on it. This is where you can customize your emoji settings. Step 7. Scroll down and find the option labeled Suggest Animated Emojis. Disable this option to turn off the suggestions for animated emojis. By following these simple steps, you can easily disable animated emoji suggestions in Telegram, creating a more focused and static emoji experience. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a distraction-free Telegram messaging experience.